Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Legend of Zelda Tears of the Kingdom on PC, updated. Install a compatible emulator and verify system requirements before proceeding. Start by extracting game files to a fast SSD and enable GPU acceleration in your settings. Use a controller for best feel and map controls to your preference. Test performance with a short play session and adjust graphics for stable frame rate. Configure controls early to avoid frustration. Map jump, climb, and glider to comfortable keys. When using mods, prioritize community-trusted packs and keep backups of your save files. Familiarize yourself with quick travel and inventory shortcuts so you spend more time exploring and less time managing settings. Small tweaks to sensitivity and camera can make combat and puzzle solving much smoother on PC. Also learn to toggle performance overlays and FPS caps for consistent play. Quick recommendation: if you enjoy reading on breaks, check out the new Kindle Paperwhite books for comfortable reading between sessions. If you're finding this guide helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel and see more updates. I link the Kindle and other deals in the description so you can compare options before buying. I appreciate every comment and question. Share this with a friend who plays. Now let's get back to the video. Monitor CPU and GPU temps to prevent throttling and maintain stable performance. Use performance modes like DLSS or FSR when available to increase frame rate without sacrificing detail. Adjust render resolution instead of native resolution if the GPU is limited, and lower shadow and particle quality to recover frames. Consider undervolting or increasing power limits on laptops for short performance bursts, but always test stability after each change to avoid crashes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.